B-roll of scrolling through investing apps on a phone. Looking to start your investing journey in 2025 but don't know where to begin? Whether you're in the UK or the USA, this video breaks down the best beginner-friendly investing apps designed to help you grow your money safely and smartly. From zero-commission trades to learning tools for first-timers, these apps are changing how people invest. So, if you're ready to make your money work for you, stick around. Best Investing Apps for Beginners, 2025, UK and USA. Section 1. What makes a good beginner? Investing app. App features comparison chart animation. Before we dive into the list, let's talk about what makes an app great for beginners. Easy-to-use interface, low or zero fees. Fractional shares, educational tools, reliable customer support. These features are crucial when you're starting out and still figuring things out. Section 2. Best Investing Apps for Beginners in the USA. 1. Robinhood. Robinhood offers commission-free trades, a slick interface, and now even crypto and retirement accounts. Just be mindful of impulsive investing. It's easy to overdo it. Screen recording of using Robinhood app. 2. Acorns. Acorns is perfect if you want to invest without thinking. It rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the spare change automatically. Acorns demo with animated coins. 3. Fidelity Investments. Fidelity is known for its reliability, with no minimum investment, a great educational section, and excellent customer support. Fidelity Dashboard Overview. 4. Public.com. Public lets you invest and learn at the same time with a social investing platform. Think Twitter for finance. Social feed interface and fractional shares demo. Section 4. Investing tips for beginners. No matter which app you choose, remember, start small. Diversify your investments. Avoid emotional trading. Invest consistently. Use the tools provided by these apps. Watch tutorials, read daily insights, and don't rush. Animated checklist of tips, motivational stock chart, outro plus call to action. So, which app fits your style best? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on tools to grow your financial future. Links to all the apps mentioned are in the description. Try them out and take the first step toward investing in 2025. Start smart. Invest confidently. Subscribe, like, comment. Best investing apps for beginners. 1. Investing doesn't have to be intimidating. Whether you're in London or Los Angeles, the digital age has brought investment opportunities right to your fingertips. If you're just starting out, choosing the right app can make all the difference in your journey to financial growth. 2. The best investing apps for beginners are more than just trading platforms. They're your digital mentors. These apps simplify complex concepts, offer intuitive interfaces, and provide educational resources to help you learn while you earn. 3. Let's kick things off with Robinhood, a favorite in the US. With commission-free trades and a clean, user-friendly design, it's ideal for those new to investing. You can buy stocks, ETFs, and even crypto, all from one place. 4. For UK users, Freetrade is a top pick. It's the British equivalent of Robinhood, offering zero commission trading and an approachable layout. Plus, it gives access to UK and US stocks, making diversification easy from day one. 5. If you're looking for an app that teaches as you go, Public, US only for now, is a solid choice. It combines investing with a social media vibe, allowing users to see what others are buying and why. It's like Instagram meets Wall Street. 6. Meanwhile, eToro caters to both UK and US audiences. This app stands out for its copy trader feature, perfect for beginners. You can mimic the moves of top-performing investors and learn by example. 7. Want to start investing with spare change? Acorns in the US and Moneybox in the UK round up your everyday purchases and invest the difference. It's a smart and subtle way to ease into investing without feeling the financial pinch. 8. Trading Toon 12, another UK favorite, offers commission-free trades and even has a practice account so you can test your strategies without risking real money. It's perfect for building confidence before diving into the real market. 9. For those keen on ETFs and long-term investing, Vanguard is a trusted name globally. While its app isn't the flashiest, it offers access to low-cost index funds and a wealth of educational content. 10. Don't overlook Wealthfront US and Nutmeg UK. These robo-advisors take the guesswork out of investing. Just input your goals, risk level and timeline, and they do the rest, automatically managing your portfolio.
11. One of the key things beginners should look for is low fees. High fees can eat into your profits, especially when you're starting small. That's why apps like Freetrade, Robinhood, and Trading 212 are leading the pack. They help you keep more of your money. 12. Safety is another major concern. All apps listed here are regulated by the FCA in the UK and the SEC in the US. Your money and personal information are encrypted and protected, so you can invest with confidence. 13. Another feature to consider is the minimum deposit. Apps like Acorns and Moneybox let you start with just a few pounds or dollars, while platforms like Vanguard may require a higher upfront investment. 14. Educational tools can be a game changer. Many of these apps include blogs, videos, and even in-app tutorials. For instance, Public and eToro shine here, helping you grow your knowledge while building your portfolio. 15. User experience matters too. As a beginner, you want something easy to navigate. Complicated interfaces can be frustrating and lead to mistakes. The apps on this list are designed with beginners in mind. No jargon, just clear actions and results. 16. It's also worth mentioning that most of these platforms allow for both mobile and desktop access, so whether you're on your phone in a cafe or on your laptop at home, managing your investments is always just a few clicks away. 17. Want to dip into crypto? Robinhood, eToro, and Public all offer access to popular cryptocurrencies. Just remember, crypto is more volatile, so always start small and do your research. 18. As you grow more confident, many of these apps scale with you. What begins as simple stock investing can evolve into diversified portfolios with ETFs, bonds, or even commodities. 19. The key takeaway? Start small, stay consistent, and choose the app that matches your learning style. The best investing app is the one you'll actually use, and enjoy using. 20. Whether you're from Birmingham or Brooklyn, investing has never been more accessible. With the right app, anyone can take the first step toward building wealth. So, download one today and start shaping your financial future.